That is an absolute impossibility and a nightmare, and there's too much packaging and it's ruining the environment. I'd have to get a pair of scissors or something, and I don't think even a pair of scissors would get through that for me, so I couldn't open that.
So much comes packaged like this. I bought my son a key safe on my way up to his place yesterday, and the trouble I had getting into it, I couldn't even do it with scissors because it was just too awkward. And I actually had to use a knife to quite dangerously try and get it open, and that's what I would have to do with this one as well. There's no easy way to get into it if you've got reduced hand strength. And I think it's even difficult for people with good hand strength.
This, I would have to get a knife or a pair of scissors and really cut this around, but it would be ending up cutting the product in probably multiple sections, and sometimes I can't even open it up, even with scissors. So that's super, super hard.